I mean, I see a Craig Lord about to kick off a one mad freestyle, you see me? Because guess what I'm going to know? More while they run some people from some foreign country, Americans mostly. You know, and we hear two Jamaicans attack, and they always ask the same question. Why you guys talking in codes? But you didn't really know code. You see me? And I really know code. So I'm going to teach you how to talk patois. So I'm going to ask that question next time when I touch the road. I'm going to ask if a code, when a patois is sharp like a sword. So I don't have to get beat with no board. You understand? So I'm ready now? Alright, kick off the reading. Alright. Wagwan mean what's going on. Build on my youth mean relax and stay calm. If you're crying real low, that mean you a ball. Little more mean later. Yeah, if a nigga bad mind, he's a hater. And if him love chat, that mean he's a traitor. Yo, man, I really hard, man. That mean I'm from Jamaica. And with a blood clad ramp, that mean we don't play. If you a batty boy, you's a gay, then you have to run away. Means you gotta run away. If you just kill a nigga, you just make a duppy. Cut it mean cut it, break it mean broke it, dirty mean dirty. A dog is a gun, not an animal. Police is called Babylon, yeah. I know you like the way that I'm dropping it. Real patois, and I will never stop chatting it. Second verse. Fling mean throw, mean no, yeah, mean yes. Keep listening cause I'ma tell you the rest. Move from yasso, that mean get the fuck out of here. Come here, that mean you should come here. Me no business, that mean I don't care. If you a done spot, that mean you can't read. And if your girlfriend is pregnant, that means she a breed. If the baby ain't yours, then the kid is a jacket. Get the fuck out the way, that mean you should watch it. A gun with a clip is a matic, but I'm talking about a knife when I say I got my ratchet. Sick mean good, mad mean good, bad mean good. I live in the garrison, that mean I'm from the hood. I know you like the way that I'm dropping it. Real patois, and I will never stop chatting it. Last verse. Talk the blood clot nice. That mean shut the fuck up. You ain't got no money. That mean that you broke. If you salt, then you got bad luck. Your pants is your trousers, your shirt is your shot. A crackhead is a stocky. Close it mean locky. Stop it mean topic. Come give me a link. That mean come and see me. If you follow fashion, that mean you wanna be me. Don't watch me. That mean don't pre me. Word mean word. Bird mean bud. A bad man is a gangster or a thug. Condom is called boots. Your child is your youth. Your friend is your dupes. Me can do that. That mean I can do it. You don't know what I want. That mean there's a whole lot to it. I know you like the way that I'm dropping it. Real patois, and I will never stop chatting it. Jamaican slang. That's how we do it. You understand? You wanna learn nothing? Replay.